This is how to install Facebook on your laptop. So let's get started. The first step is to open the Microsoft Store. So search for it in the Start menu, then open it. And here on top, just search for Facebook. Then select the first option and click on Get. Just wait for it to install, and once it's done, click on Open. And as you can see, we've reached the login page for Facebook. So one thing to note, that this isn't a complete app. It's basically opening Facebook in your browser, but it has all functionalities of a normal app. So if you go to your taskbar, then here you can see the icon has come, and you can find Facebook in the Start menu. So like a normal app, you can close it and then maybe pin it to your taskbar and open it from there. So now you'll just have to log in. If you have an account, you can enter your username and password, or else select create new account to create one. So I'll just log in, and as you can see, we've reached Facebook. So there's one last thing I'd want to show you, and that's how to open Facebook and pin it to your taskbar. So in the Start menu, you can just search for Facebook and open it from here. And if you want to pin it to your taskbar, right click over here and then select Pin to Taskbar. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.